Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best large format printers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is HP OfficeJet Pro 7740 wide format all-in-one printer. At times, you may not be looking for the fanciest printers found in professional studios. This all-in-one HP wide format printer comes with most of the practical features you need to print quality photos and color documents. It can even process two-sided scanning to copy and print documents in no time. However, what we liked the most was its ability to print on varied paper sizes. This printer supports printing on papers up to 11 inches by 17 inches, which is decent for small to medium posters and marketing materials. Other than that, we also like the paper capacity of this printer as it has 2 input trays, each holding up to 250 sheets. So, you can print several documents or photos at once without worrying about running out of media. Pros: excellent print quality, bright photo ink colors, can handle high volume printing, fast two-sided printing. Cons: expensive. Number 2. Our second best pick is Epson Expression Photo HD XP 15000 wireless color wide format printer. Look no more if you've been searching for the best wide format printer, as this Epson Expression device comes with most features you expect from a printer. It can print borderless photos up to 13 inches by 19 inches without damaging the Ultra HD quality. Plus, the printer deals with thicker or artist quality paper pretty well and prints without creating creases or uneven lines. The brilliance of the photos comes from the Claria Photo HD inks to achieve the wide color gamut. This printer utilizes newly launched gray and red ink colors, which help to enhance the prints. We especially like the gray ink as it improves the highlights and shadows in monochrome prints. Pros: Ultra HD quality photo prints, low sound level, prints on cardstock without stopping, compact design. Cons: setting it up may take time. Number 3. Our third best pick is Epson Expression Photo XP 970 all-in-one photo printer. First of all, what stood out about this printer was its professional print quality. Unlike many other printers with a similar budget, this printer runs without clogs, even when printing larger photos. The Claria Photo HD inks provide a smooth finish with proper gradations and represent accurate skin tones. This device has been built for convenience, so you won't have much trouble operating it even if you're new to using large format printers. Besides, the large touchscreen and wireless printing options make the process effortless. One more key feature we would like to talk about is the efficient scanning capacity of this printer. The fold-over scan lid is quite helpful in holding down the document without needing to apply any pressure, leading to uniform scans. Pros: compact size, prints well on specialty paper, easy to operate, Wi-Fi connects effortlessly. Cons: high ink consumption. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is HP DesignJet T200 large format 24-inch plotter printer. The foremost aspect that attracted us has to be the modern design. This printer is the right choice for those looking to be more eco-conscious, as HP tries to use up to 30% recycled plastic during manufacturing. What really makes this a worthwhile printer is the high-efficiency printing that produces error-free lines, thanks to the use of HP Bright Office inks. Along with 31% more line accuracy, the inks provide up to 65% more gamut for better color printing, making the printer quite versatile. And the best part is that this printer requires almost 95% less ink for maintenance compared to other models. Another thing we would like to mention is the superior connectivity of this printer, made possible by the Gigabit Ethernet and the latest Wi-Fi. You can simply use the HP Smart app to share files with the printer from anywhere using your smartphone, computer, or tablet. Pros: modern design, easy connectivity, ink cartridges are long-lasting, seamless printing software. Cons: doesn't include a stand. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 1000 Professional Photographic Printer. When it comes to printing photographs, most people settle for whatever a printer offers as they can't expect the results to be at par with photos of digital cameras. We are happy to say that the print quality of this Canon imagePROGRAF photographic printer comes pretty close, thanks to its Lucia Pro ink system made up of 12 printer cartridges. You can really see the difference in the black and shadow areas due to the wide color gamut. The special black inks help get a crisp and properly graded image, while the added chroma optimizer reduces too much light reflection even on glossy photo paper. That's why this printer is also recommended for producing monochrome prints. Another notable feature is the anti-clogging technology, which delivers ink through a tubular delivery system. This helps speed up printing by detecting any clog in the nozzles and replacing it with a backup. Pros: prints the deepest and darkest blacks. Hassle-free paper feeding. Low noise. Fast printing. Cons: quite expensive. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.